Welcome to Bits of Java. We've done hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Now let's do hexadecimal to binary. So hexadecimal, again, was base 16, and binary was base 2. So hexadecimal, the largest value you had was you had 0 to 9, and then you had A through F, and the F, those took care of 10 through 15 for you. Now the number 15 is actually kind of interesting in binary because in binary you can get the number 15 by doing this, 1, 1, 1, 1. If you have 4 bits, you have these powers. You've got oops, let me get my cursor going here. You've got the 1's place, the 2's place, the 4's place, and the 8's place. If I were to add one more to this, I would get to the 16's place. So 1 minus, if you subtract 1 from the 16, you're left with 15. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 15 perfectly fills 4 digits of binary. So we can take advantage of this as we are working with hexadecimal, because one hexadecimal digit can be represented with 4 binary digits. So let's do some conversions here. Let's say that we have just the number 7, so hex 7. How do I represent that in binary? Well, how do I get a 7 out of 4 digits? There's no 8's involved, that's a 0. It'll be a 4 plus a 2 plus a 1. So 7 in hex is 0, 1, 1, 1 in binary. And in Java, what you do is you put a 0b in front to represent that it's in binary. Okay, let's try another one. So let's say that we have just a single-digit hexadecimal number, A. Well, A represents 10. So how do I get 10 out of these 4 digits? Well, I'm going to need an 8 and a 2. So I will have an 8, no 4's, a 2, and no 1's. So A in hexadecimal is 1010 in binary. You can apply this technique with multi-digit hexadecimal numbers. So if I've got the number B3, so B3, how do I turn that into binary? Well, let's do this below here for a moment. I'm going to write out, I can split this up. So this B and this 3 can get split into 2 4-digit binary values. So look at them individually. B is 11. How do I get 11 out of these values? 8 plus 2 plus 1. So 11 would be 1, 0, 1, 1. How do I get to 3? The 3 is no 8's, no 4's. I'm going to have a 2 plus a 1. So it'll be 0, 0, 1, 1. So our answer will be 0b, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So that is our 1 byte. So in fact, 2 hexadecimal digits can represent 1 byte. You may have seen these hex digits before in web codes. So if you have web color codes, you might have seen like that is red, and like something like this, that is full red, full green, that is yellow. So these are actually just numbers in hexadecimal, and you'll convert them in, the computer converts into binary itself. So that's how you convert from hex to binary. Let's just do one last example of going from binary to hex. So if I have, let's say, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. How do I convert that into hexadecimal? So again, split it up into 2. So 0, 1, 1, 1 is 4 plus 2 plus 1. So that is going to be a 7. 1, 0, 0, 0 is an 8, so that's an 8. So in binary 0111 1000 is 78 in hexadecimal. All right.